What if I told you that the secret to faster weight loss might already be sitting in your kitchen? And no, I'm not talking about fancy detox teas or expensive powders. I'm talking about simple, science-backed drinks that help your body burn fat, boost metabolism, and even control hunger naturally. Stay with me till the end, because number 1 is something most people drink daily, but they're using it the wrong way. Number 5, green tea, the metabolism booster. Let's start with a classic, green tea. It's rich in catechins, powerful antioxidants that fire up your metabolism. Studies show that these catechins, especially EGCG, increase the rate at which your body burns fat, even when you're resting. Green tea also contains a small dose of caffeine, giving your metabolism a natural push without the jitters. And here's the cool part, drinking 2 to 3 cups a day can increase fat oxidation, especially when combined with regular exercise. Fun fact, Japanese researchers found that people who drank green tea before workouts burned 17% more fat than those who didn't. Question for viewers, do you prefer your green tea hot or iced? Tell me in the comments, I'm curious. Number 4, lemon water, the simple fat flush. Now, don't underestimate the power of lemon water, especially when taken first thing in the morning. It hydrates your body, improves digestion, and helps balance pH levels. But here's the science part, staying hydrated actually helps your metabolism work efficiently. When your body is even slightly dehydrated, your fat-burning process slows down. Adding lemon gives a vitamin C boost, which supports liver function, and your liver plays a huge role in metabolizing fat. Pro tip, drink a glass of warm lemon water 15 to 20 minutes before breakfast to jumpstart your metabolism for the day. Question for viewers, how many of you already start your morning with lemon water? Or are you team coffee? Number 3, black coffee, the appetite controller. Here's where it gets interesting, black coffee can be your secret weapon for weight loss. Caffeine increases adrenaline and helps your body break down fat cells to use as energy. It also suppresses your appetite, which means fewer unnecessary snacks between meals. But moderation is key, 1 or 2 cups a day are perfect, without sugar or cream. And yes, it's backed by science. Studies published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition show that caffeine can increase metabolic rate by 3 to 11%. But wait, the next drink not only burns fat, it also reduces inflammation and keeps you full for hours. Number 2, cucumber and mint detox water, the hydrating fat cutter. This refreshing drink does more than just quench thirst, it helps flush out toxins and reduces bloating. Cucumbers are low in calories but high in water and fiber, helping you stay full longer. Mint, on the other hand, improves digestion and gives that cool, refreshing flavor that makes you actually want to drink more water. Hydration and detoxification are 2 essential parts of any weight loss journey, and this drink does both, naturally. Just slice cucumbers, add a few mint leaves, and infuse overnight for best results. Fun fact, drinking cold water can temporarily increase calorie burn, because your body works harder to warm it up to body temperature. What would it be? Lemon? Ginger? Let me know in the comments. Number 1, apple cider vinegar drink, the fat-burning legend. And now, the drink that science calls a natural metabolism activator, apple cider vinegar, ACV. This one's a game changer. Studies show that acetic acid, the main compound in ACV, helps suppress fat storage, lowers blood sugar spikes, and improves insulin sensitivity. One study found that people who consumed just 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV daily lost more weight and belly fat over 12 weeks than those who didn't. But here's the mistake most people make, drinking it straight. That can harm your teeth and stomach. The right way, mix 1 tablespoon of ACV with a full glass of water. Drink it 15 to 20 minutes before meals once a day. It's powerful, effective, and completely natural. Have you ever tried apple cider vinegar before meals? What was your experience like? Bonus tip, stay consistent. Remember, these drinks aren't magic potions. They work best when combined with a balanced diet, enough sleep, and regular movement. Think of them as helpers that support your metabolism and keep your hunger under control. So there you have it, green tea for metabolism, lemon water for hydration, black coffee for energy, cucumber mint water for detox and apple cider vinegar for fat burning. Which one are you trying first? Or are you already drinking one of these every day? Tell me in the comments, I love hearing your routines. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your health-loving friends, and subscribe to the channel for healthy information.